Are you kidding me? You're threatening me?
No, it's not a threat.
Okay, listen.
Here's the deal, sir.
Can I ask you something?
Not till I'm done talking.
Not
till I'm done talking.
Told me when I'm asked to get out of a police car, that I'm going to get out.
When you're asked to get out
That's not
of
what you said.
When you are asked.
Oh, yeah, you don't have the right mentality for this job.
Oh, I don't.
No,
I've
you
been
don't.
doing
I know a lot of cops.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, and
doing
none of them act like you.
Corey Kowalski calmly stands his ground as Deputy L repeatedly demands he exit his vehicle during a routine traffic stop in Michigan, refusing to comply without clear legal justification beyond the initial speeding allegation. The U.S. Supreme Court in Pennsylvania versus Mims, 1977, held that police officers may order a driver to exit a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop without violating the Fourth Amendment, as the intrusion is minimal and outweighed by officer safety concerns. When the deputy misquotes Michigan law by claiming it requires exiting a police car and shifts from asking to threatening arrest, Corey challenges the inconsistency and demands the specific statute, exposing the deputy's vague authority. The driver labels the behavior a power trip and refuses to answer irrelevant questions about drinking, work, or destination, preventing any fishing for additional suspicion.
For what?
Because I've asked you to.
No, I'm not. Not unless you're going to arrest me.
Okay.
I don't know what I did.
I just told you so you were speeding.
I was not speeding. I never went over 25 miles an hour.
Yeah, you did, sir.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Absolutely not. I never went over 25.
Where are you headed to?
What is that? I don't understand what any of that matters. If you're going to write me a ticket for speeding, then write me a ticket for speeding. We'll go to court.
I will.
Okay.
Okay.
But other than that, I haven't done anything wrong.
Okay, I'm going to ask you one more time to step out of the car.
Okay, I'll step out of the car.
Yeah, that's a really good decision you just made. Put your cigarette out.
Well, you're on a power trip, huh?
No, it's no power trip, sir.
Absolutely.
I'm just doing what the law allows me to do.
What law are you referring to?
The Michigan law, sir.
What Michigan law? Cite the statute that you're referring to.
Michigan law requires you to step out of the vehicle when asked by an officer. Do you understand that law?
No, apparently I don't, because it doesn't exist.
It doesn't exist?
No, what probable cause do you have for having me to get out of the car?
Because I asked you to.
You asked. Is it a lawful order?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
How?
What do you mean, how?
Yeah, I'm asking you how. Why?
What do you mean, how?
Yeah, what is your reasonable, articulable suspicion
Don't need one,
that
sir.
I've committed a crime?
All I can do is ask you to.
Right. I just asked you if you were asking me or telling me if it was a lawful order. You said that it was a lawful order, now you're saying that you were asking me. Can you get a supervisor out here, please?
No.
I'd like to speak with a sergeant.
Okay. This is the deal here. Okay. I'm going to go back and I'm going to run your name.
Okay.
I'm going to come back and I'm going to give you a chance to think about you getting out of the car.
I'm not.
No.
Listen, who are you talking to? You're not intimidating me.
I'm not trying to intimidate you,
If you're going to write me a ticket,
then I'm going to ask you to get out of the car.
Okay.
Okay?
Hey.
And if you don't get out of the car, you are going to jail.
For what?
Do you understand?
For what?
Do you understand?
Deputy Lane,
do you understand?
What have I done to create this hostile? I'm asking you to de-escalate.
Doesn't matter. Get out of the car.
Sir, I'm asking you what I did.
Sir, I'm not going to ask you again.
You're opening my car door and removing me for what, a speeding ticket?
I am asking you to get out of the car.
And I told you I would get out.
Then get out.
I don't understand why you're being this way.
Being which way, sir?
You're being hostile.
You're not being hostile.
De-escalate, sir.
De-escalate? I'm not upset. What do I need to de-escalate?
Are you kidding me? You're threatening me?
No, it's not a threat.
Okay, listen.
Here's the deal, sir.
Can I ask you something?
Not till I'm done talking. Not till I'm done talking.
What is with your power trip?
Not till I'm done talking. It's not a power trip,
It is.
Sir.
Why are you being authoritative over me? If you want to write me a speeding ticket, sir, go ahead.
Keep talking, okay? Keep talking and let me know when you're done.
I'm sorry.
You let me know when you're done. Keep your hands out of your pocket. You let me know when you're done, and then I will talk.
Okay, I'm done.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You're not going to interrupt anymore?
No, I'm not.
Okay. Michigan law requires you to get out of a police car when requested by a police officer.
Well, I wasn't in a police car.
I'm not done.
I wasn't in a
I'm not done talking.
You told me when I
said when I asked you if you were going to be done talking so I could talk.
Sir, I was done
Go
talking.
ahead, you talk again.
I was done
Keep talking. Go ahead.
You just told me when you told me to get out of a police car. All I'm saying
It's required by law, and you're not in a police car.
That's what I just said.
You are not in a police car, sir.
You just told me I was in a police car. When
No,
you tell
you
me
are-
to get out of...
When you
Sir,
are-
can you please help me out here?
No, nobody's going to help you out.
You said that
Go
when
ahead.
I'm
You
asked-
talk. Go ahead.
If you would stop, I would explain.
Oh, okay. I'm going to explain. You explain to me
You
what the law
just
is.
told me when I'm asked to get out of a police car
No,
that I'm to get out.
when you're asked to get
That's
out
not
of
what you said.
when you are asked to get out of your car by a police officer,
Is your body camera
you
on?
are required to
Okay.
by law. Do you understand
I
that?
do understand what you're saying.
Perfect.
I don't agree with it, but I understand.
It doesn't matter if you agree with it or not, sir. Has no effect on it.
Okay.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. I'm glad you understand Michigan law. How much have you had to drink tonight?
Nothing.
Not a sip.
I don't drink at all.
You don't? Okay.
No.
But you're displaying behavior like you have been.
No, I'm not. I'm on my way to work.
Where do you work at?
It's none of your business.
Where are you coming from?
It's none of your business
So
either.
you're displaying behaviors
No,
like
it's
that.
not. Why? Because I'm not bowing down to your attitude and your power trip?
It's not a power trip, sir.
That's exactly what it is.
No, sir.
No, yeah, you don't have the right mentality for this job.
Oh, I don't.
No,
Oh,
you
I've
don't.
been doing
I
it.
know a lot of cops.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah,
Been
and
doing
none
it
of
for
them act like you.
31 years, and I don't have the right mentality.
Oh,
Corey Kowalski continues to assert his rights by declining personal questions and pointing out the deputy's aggressive tone from the outset, including the claim that only white lights were initially activated. Under the Fourth Amendment, as reinforced in Rodriguez v. United States, 2015, officers may not prolong a traffic stop beyond the time needed to address the original violation without independent reasonable suspicion of additional criminal activity. The deputy's attempts to label Corey's demeanor as impairment-like behavior fail as the driver simply refuses to bow down and sticks to none of your business responses. Radio checks confirm the 2006 Dodge Charger's valid registration to Ivan Michelle Kowalski and current insurance shown on the phone, with only a suspicious pink pouch near the VN noted but yielding no violations. Corey politely allows the interaction to proceed after being permitted back into his cold car to save the battery, yet he still calls out the unnecessary 11-minute detention as unlawful. The deputy's authority visibly deflates when he can find no basis for more charges, proving that calm boundary setting can check unchecked power.
Congratulations.
yeah,
Been
and
doing it
none
for
of them act like you.
31 years, and I don't have the right mentality.
No.
You know more than I do.
No,
that's
not
for
what
sure.
I'm claiming. I'm not claiming that
Yep.
I know anything more than you. All I'm
you
saying
seem
is you're being aggressive. It started
I'm
off,
being aggressive?
As soon as you
Do I
started,
look aggressive to you?
You start running your
Do I look
siren.
aggressive to you?
And then
Because
you,
you
tell me
weren't
to turn my
stopping.
car. You didn't have your lights on. All you had on were white lights.
Oh, we had our lights on, sir.
You had white lights on.
We had lights on, sir.
They were just white. There was
You
no red,
seem to
no
know
blue.
everything tonight.
I'm going to request your dash cam, your body cams, all of it.
Request
So it's fine.
everything, sir. It's all
I'm
open
going to
to
go
the-
right to Sierra.
It's all open
It's
to the
fine.
public. You're going to start throwing names out now?
No,
I know
I'm not
Sierra.
threatening anything.
I
Nope.
know cops.
Nope. I'm just saying that none of them act like you. I've never had this experience with a cop ever. Never.
Wow.
It's fine, sir. If you'd like to give me a ticket, I'll accept the ticket. I'll take it to court.
Of course.
It's fine.
Yep, of course.
It's fine.
Of course you will.
We got about another freaking 11 minutes, though, and this is unlawful. I mean,
Oh, now we're unlawful?
yeah.
Okay.
There's a reasonable expectation for a speeding ticket, time frame, and all that
Oh,
stuff.
okay.
Just sitting here for no reason. If you
I'm
want to
not
write me a
sitting
ticket,
here
sir,
for
that's
no
fine.
reason. I'm letting you talk, sir.
I'm
You seem
done
to be.
talking. I just
Well,
wanna
you
be
say
on my
that
way,
several
please.
times, and you just keep talking.
Okay.
You under any narcotics right now?
Nope.
Nothing at all?
No, I don't answer questions. I'm done answering questions.
You ever been arrested before?
As I said, sir, I'm done answering questions.
Okay, just stand right there for me.
Absolutely.
Corey Kowalski, arrest comment.
No, valid for the chauffeur's endorsement through December of 2026 on Nebraska.
Clear. Mr. Kowalski, you're getting issued a violation this morning for a violation of the basic speed law. You can take care of it within 10 days at the county court of Crawford. All the directions are on the back. The court address and phone number are on the front. Do you have any questions?
Not for you. Thanks.
Okay. Make sure you have your seatbelt on, okay, sir?
Thanks. Don't.
I'm sorry.
Nothing.
Okay. Have a good evening.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Corey Kowalski ultimately accepts the speeding citation for violating Michigan's basic speed law while planning to contest it in court, ending the encounter on his terms without further incident. Michigan Vehicle Code, Section 257.628 establishes basic speed laws requiring drivers to operate at reasonable speeds, with civil citations issuable under Section 257.742 without mandatory extended detention absent additional cause. After issuing the ticket with court directions for Crawford County, the deputy offers a seatbelt reminder and a courteous "have a good evening," a stark shift from earlier threats of jail. Corey thanks him politely despite the tension, maintaining dignity throughout and avoiding escalation to arrest or additional violations. The deputy's final remarks and radio chatter reveal lingering suspicions but no actionable findings, leaving him humbled by a citizen who refused intimidation. This single stop demonstrates how knowledge of rights, composure, and firm insistence on lawful limits can powerfully humble even a seasoned, power-tripping deputy.